A very good morning to you all students. This is the last module for your North America revision. The last topic is the main rivers of North America. The main rivers of North America are River Mackenzie that drains into the Arctic Ocean, River Nelson that drains into the Hudson Bay, St. Lawrence River that drains into the Gulf of St. Lawrence, River Hudson, River Potomac and River Delaware that drains into the Atlantic Ocean, and the famous River Mississippi and River Missouri along with its tributaries fall into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, these are some question answers or assignment. You need to pause the video and do all these question answers in your geography notebook. Okay, so the first question is, where is the continent North America located? Answer: the continent of North America lies entirely in the northern and western hemispheres. North America is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea in the southeast, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. You need to pause the video and write these question answers in your notebook. Second question, list the major physical features of North America. The major physical features are the Canadian Shield, Great Lakes, Western Cordilleras, the Eastern Highlands and the Central Lowlands or the Central Plains. Right? Name the 5 Great Lakes of North America. You need to write this answer. The 5 Great Lakes from west to east are Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Question 4. Write a short note on Niagara Falls. The beautiful horseshoe-shaped Niagara Falls are located between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. It has the largest concentration of fresh water in the world. Okay. Question 5. Which is the most fertile region of North America? The answer is the Central Plains or the Great Plains, also called the Central Lowlands. The Central Plains are the most fertile region of North America. The Central Plains have the most productive regions of the world. This is why vast agricultural production activity is undertaken in the Central Plains. The Central Plains is also referred as the breadbasket of North America. Question 6. Write a short note on the Great Plains. Again the same. The Central Plains, also known as the Great Plains, is a region of North America that has vast, fertile lowlands. They are bound by the Western Cordilleras, the Canadian Shield and the Eastern Highlands. The Central Plains start from the delta of Mackenzie River in the north and extend up to the Gulf of Mexico in the south. You will pause the video again and again and write the question answers in your geography notebook. Question 7. Write a short note on Pacific Ring of Fire. The Western Cordilleras consist of young fold mountain ranges which contain a number of extinct and dormant volcanoes and hot springs. They are a part of Pacific Ring of Fire. Question 8. The islands in the Caribbean Sea are called West Indies. Comment. Answer. The tropical islands in the Caribbean Sea are collectively known as the West Indies. They are Cuba, Jamaica. Okay, so you need to write the names of them. This is the last question. Where is Mount Michel located? Answer. The peak Mount Michel is the highest peak of the Eastern Highlands, also called the Appalachian Mountains. It is located in North Carolina at the height of 2037 meters. All these question answers are to be written in the geography notebook, students. Thank you.